Aku? Pasal apa?
Betul, the first few words. Design.
Books.
Color.
Paste.
Cartoon.
Stick.
Pill.
Star.
Paper.
Chip.
Outstanding.
Collection.
Kids.
Stamp.
Adhesive. Betul ke?
Permanently.
Okay, vote.
Okay, good.
3, 2, 1.
No, aku bukan imposter.
Hah?
Aku bukan imposter.
Rasa kau tunjuk aku.
I think there's something off about you a bit.
Aku? Pasal apa?
Betul, the first few words. That's why I a bit off also.
Like what?
I don't know. I can't recall what's the word again.
Books.
Tak, I think something else.
Star.
No, there's something else also. Tapi dia terikut. Aku macam
Okay lah, I'm the imposter lah.
Kau?
Aku dah.
Apa word dia?
Sticker.
Oh shoot.
I think the first round aku dah tahu. It's like I just play along.
So kau dah tahu bila aku cakap books.